How less than 3 million naira go carry you from West Africa, from Nigeria to European countries like Spain, Portugal, and Italy, and some others. And to even shock you, this less than 3 million naira, so visa fee dey inside, travel medical insurance dey inside, flight ticket dey inside. And some of una go dey wonder, say, not be this same Schengen visa to Europe where people they pay 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 million put to travel agents. Nah, the reason why people they pay huge money for these visas, where they're supposed to pay small money for, be say the travel agents they take advantage of some of these clients, because these clients where they pay all this huge money for visas refuse to know wetin dem suppose know about travel wey the travel agent know. So the travel agent know something wey dem suppose know, but dem refuse to know. So now that thing wey dem refuse to know, wey the travel agent know, now the clients dem dey pay for. Because not forget, for our pidgin parlance for Nigeria, we dey talk am say, when mugu fall, gaima go whack. So when clients will be mugu don't fall, travel agent will be gaima, in go chop. Some people go want talk now, say, how less than 3 million naira go take carry you from West Africa, from Niger, enter Spain, Portugal, Italy, and the likes. You know, go pay for POF. You know, go do this one, BTA. Understand one thing. That bank statement where you dey arrange, so that your POF, that your AZA, where you dey prepare to take apply for this Schengen visa, the money where dey inside, you know, they spend them. The embassy, you know, they collect the money from you. Them just want to make you show bank statement. Them just want to make you show POF to them to prove, say, you get money where you go take back on that journey, and money where you go take come back, and money to also show, say, you get work where you dey do. You get regular source of income where will eventually bring you back to your home country after them don't give you visa to come their own. Now, what will be the things where you pay for? Make I break it down to you. This kind content go retire a lot of travel agents, and this kind content go make traveling abroad they very cheap. Because the reason why many of these travel agents they charge big money, be say they believe, say, many of us na mugu. They believe, say, we don't know anything. So when content like this begin to go viral, and travel agents come to realize, say, people don't they open wide, traveling abroad price go come reduce. You go see, share this content, as you share, God go bless you. Now, what will be the things where you need money for to travel, go any of these countries? Visa fee, travel medical insurance, flight tickets, BTA. Now, this one be the major things where you spend money for. Now, listen. Now, to apply for this visa, you go get your bank statements and other vital documents to apply for this Schengen visa. For the purpose of clarity, this now we call the Schengen VV, Schengen Visitor Visa. Whenever you hear VV now, Visitor Visa. Now, to apply for this visa, you pay for Schengen visa fee, 90 euros. 90 euros, convert 90 euros to naira. That is about 160 something thousand naira. Let's say 170k. Write and down, we will do the plus and minus, 170k. What will be the next thing where you pay for? Not forget, now you they apply for this visa yourself. Now you make it go cheap like this. So the next thing where they pay for now, travel medical insurance. And before I come on line now to do this content, you get one where I see. That one a comprehensive travel medical insurance, you get everything. And that one now 33 euros every week. And if you don't talk for your visa application, say now 2 weeks you are going to spend for any of the Schengen countries, which is the Schengen zone. That 2 weeks now they go charge you, or you go pay 66 euros for 2 weeks medical insurance. Cheaper ones there, and I just mentioned this one. Now, if you calculate this 66 euros into naira, you can realize, say, you not even reach 130,000. Maximum 130k. Now, 130k for medical insurance and 170k for visa fee. Is that not 300k? Good. Now, you gather everything. Now, make we say you get other money where you go spend, miscellaneous. Let's just say 200k. 200 plus that 300, 500k. With this 500k, you don't apply for visa. Now, if you can't get this visa, whether not Schengen visa to Italy or to Spain or to Portugal, once you can't get that visa where you apply for to these countries, the next thing, and not forget, as you apply for this visa, the flight reservation when they add join your application, you know they pay put. You just only book and make the reservations that you add and join them. Hotel reservations when they make, you know they pay put. Now, when you don't get visa, you can't pay for hotel and pay for flights. So you never spend money for those ones to apply for the visa. Now, after you don't get this visa, so what you remember where you need money for? Flight tickets and BTA. Listen, no. Now, before I come online just now, I check flight tickets from Lagos in Nigeria to Madrid in Spain, and I see cheap flight of $800, $900 day, $1,000 day, $1,100 flight day. Now let's assume say you buy $900 economy. That $900 flight where you want buy from Nigeria, from Lagos to Madrid in Spain. Calculate that money for your local currency from dollars to naira. That money is around 1.4 million. That money around 1.4 million naira. Now, 1.4 million naira plus 600,000, we don't calculate since. That one are 2 million naira. Maybe you can't use like 400k pay for hotel or 500k for hotel for some few days before you find your way. 2.5 million. Now, the BTA money, in many cases, now 1,000 euros. That money, you know, they spend them. And they get some updates where people don't borrow BTA. Use and enter. As they reach there, they send the money, come give who get down. So that will not be spending. You understand? So now money when they spend that they talk. Some people don't get visa. You know what the flight ticket, you know, like flights. They carry BTA they with them. But the issue is that BTA, they borrow one from person. As they just land in the country, you send the BTA back to where they for collect the money. So only you gonna spend that money, you not spend that. So you see, and I say money when we calculate and when they spend is less than 3 million naira. With this money, your two leg go dey these European countries. If you're ready to do the visa application by yourself, you can do it. If you decide to spend 1 hour on social media every day, 30 minutes to know about visa, 30 minutes to browse the internet, to browse social media for other social issues, in the next 2 weeks, you can start to apply or gather documents to apply for these visas. I don't do content on this matter. That is why since I come on social media, thousands of people don't get visas to different countries all over the world. And I never process visa for anybody because I not be travel agent. I know they do visa for people. And not forget, I not go ever ask you money. Every of my services for social media now free. With less than 3 million naira, the way I take break and down, so you will move from your country for Africa, enter any of these countries. This now tested and trusted updates. People don't use them. Even people don't use 1 point something from West Africa to enter Europe in 2022. That time, the cost of exchange rate never dabaru like this. So with the latest exchange rate, less than 3 M, will carry you enter these countries. Whenever I come here to drop this update, now 100, that thing where you don't know big pass you. As you share this content, God will bless you. See you later. Bye-bye.